YouTube? It's your girl Melissa coming back at you with another product review. In today's video, I plan to do a review on a new product that I recently started using that I'm really impressed with. And I wanted to bring it to my channel today because it is the time of year for all things summer. So you've got the heat, the sun's beating down on you. You've got pools and potentially ocean water, things like that, drying out your hair. And so now more than ever, it's really important to take care of those locks and to make sure that your hair remains healthy, especially after just going through a really, dry winter and being locked inside for the last year. So I realized that even though I love my Vuori products and I will continue to use them from here on out, I was desperately needing a beauty regimen that was more pampering. So I wanted to include a hair mask in my actual routine, and I went out searching for one, and obviously when I find a brand that I like, I kind of stick to it, as you might already know. And I actually stumbled upon the Coco Eve Like a Virgin Hair Mask. So today's review is going to go over that mask, the ingredients, the features and benefits of the mask. I'll obviously go into some product details regarding what's in it and what's not. I'm really big on eco-friendly products and more natural products, so I will dive into that. I'll definitely show you a demonstration of me applying the mask, and I will finish out letting you know what my first impressions are after using it just a couple times. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the review. Before we go, if you are new to my channel and this is the type of content that you enjoy, I encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, make sure that you hit that notification bell too, so that you can get alerts to the latest and greatest from me. But let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so diving right into the review, I received this Coco Eve hair mask as a gift. So this is more of a trial size. This is a 2.8 ounce bottle, and I also received a super cute Moisture Boost shower cap. So I'm not sure what the retail value of this is, simply because it was a gift and I don't really see it on their site. However, they have a similar product bundle on the website right now and it's on sale, but it typically retails for $72.70. Now that particular mask, instead of being the 2.8 ounces, is actually a 7.2 ounce mask, and it comes with like a hair towel and like a brush applicator. If you just want the mask, you already have a towel or you already have a shower cap, the mask by itself will retail at $39.90. So the Coco Eve Like a Virgin hair mask is actually a 5-in-1 treatment. What that means is that it is going to restore, repair, revive, condition, and tame your hair. So it has those 5 functionalities all built into the one mask. What I really love about the mask is it's nothing that is too complicated. It's a mask that only takes maximum of 10 minutes of your day. The instructions actually say you can do 5 to 10 minutes. I really enjoy it because it has a really lightweight texture. It has a nice smell. It has kind of like it smells like fig and shea butter, which are 2 of the ingredients, so that makes sense. I think those are the 2 prominent smells or fragrances inside of the mask. Something that that I really care about is what goes into a product and whether or not it's natural. So because I do use Vuori products, and that is extremely important to me to continue to use natural products, and Vuori doesn't make a mask of their own, I really wanted to find something that was extremely gentle, something on the more natural side, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, all of those things, because I really think that I would do myself a disservice by using an unnatural product when I've been faithful to Vuori because it's so natural. So essentially, I went in and I I, did some research, did a little bit of homework. I reached out to Coco and Eve because I do partner with them on other products and asked them if it was possible for me to try this and to do an honest review after I tried it. The Like a Virgin mask is sulfate-free, vegan, ethically sourced, cruelty-free, PETA approved, and gluten-free. So that's really, really good. I definitely want my products to be as natural as possible, as I mentioned before. So that made me really happy. And the primary ingredients that make this mask effective are as follows. This mask contains raw virgin coconut oil from Bali, and what that's going to do is really help to strengthen and repair the hair. So that coconut oil is really going to help to penetrate the strands of your hair and just restore some of the strength. So kind of thinking about like those proteins. It contains fig and shea, which I mentioned earlier are the primary fragrances or the aromas in the mask. And the fig and shea are both going to actually help with the conditioning. It also helps to sort of revive and revitalize like dry, dull, sort of lifeless looking hair. So those two ingredients are what really bring your hair back to life, especially if it's really dried out or damaged from heat styling or coloring. The product also contains linseed, and I'm sure you've heard of linseed oil. And the purpose of the linseed in this product is actually to help with the gloss, so like the shine of your hair. And it also helps to improve the texture, because if you have really dry strands, it definitely is going to kind of add a layer or a barrier on the hair that's going to give it a smoother and nicer look. And the last kind of key player ingredient is actually argan oil, and I absolutely love argan oil, so I was really happy that that was a main ingredient in the product. And what argan oil does for the hair, we kind of know what it does for the skin. Argan oil is going to help to repair split ends and to also help with just frizz and flyaways and different things like that. So it is another smoothing agent. Now argan oil has a beautiful smell on its own, so I do think that that does contribute to how pleasant the mask actually smells. I just really like that it's not only taming the frizz and the split ends, but it's actually helping to treat them as well. So with those kind of ingredients in mind, I knew that it was something that I was really excited to try, and I felt confident in the brand already due to the fact that I've tried their other products, and I just really was excited to partner with them to see what this was all about. I had seen quite a few Instagram posts about it. I spend a lot of time on Instagram, but I had seen some of the before and afters and even some of the TikTok videos of just the dramatic difference that this mask has made, and I knew that it was something that I had to give it a shot, because even though I use Viore and my hair is healthier than ever and it's growing like crazy, I still feel like my regimen was like missing something. Like I used to do a hair mask every week before Viore, and maybe I did it because I really needed it because I wasn't using the best products, but it just is something that I missed, like just like a self-care regimen. So even if you find an amazing shampoo and conditioner and that's really all you feel you need, there may come a time where you want to have just that special thing that you do for yourself. That might be, painting your nails or doing a face mask. For me, I like to do a little bit of everything. I enjoy having like a beauty day and doing a hair mask and a face mask and, doing a scrub on my legs and feet. And so that's just personally what I enjoy. And so this mask was a perfect fit in that plan. The Like a Virgin mask actually has a 4.8 out of 5-star review, and a lot of the users of this mask are extremely impressed. I will go ahead and throw a couple of the photos from the before and afters from the website from different people who have used this mask and had amazing results. As you can see, my hair is just sort of crimped. That's kind of my go-to style in the summer summer because it's too humid to keep a curl, and when my hair is straight, I just feel like I touch it too much in the summertime. If it's like straight, it kind of gets in my eyes and stuff like that. So I tend to do a crimp, and it can be extremely damaging to my hair to crimp it constantly. So this mask was really a really perfect fit for me. Let's go ahead and check out the clip from earlier today when I went ahead and did the application process, so that you know how easy it is to do this mask. We'll go ahead and take a look at the clip, and when I come back, I will let you know what my honest first impressions are. Alright guys, what did you think? Easy, right? I mean, I said technically, what, like 6 steps, but it's really not. I mean, you're going to wash your hair anyway, so you'll definitely want to just kind of wash your hair, don't condition. Rinse out the shampoo. In the video, I showed you my little Biore shampoo bar. You'll want to towel your hair dry after you get out of the shower or after you've washed it, and I illustrated that in the video. And then you just want to do kind of an even distribution of the hair mask. So you'll just take whatever amount is necessary for your hair length. Obviously, like my hair is pretty long, so I mean, I need a good amount. So I would say that I probably used 2 quarter-size portions in my hair in order to kind of distribute it. I focused a lot on the ends of my hair and a little bit less on my scalp. And I probably should do my scalp a little more because I do have kind of those like little flyaways that sort of like grow out of your out of your crown, but I then just kind of put the little hair cap on. You could probably use any little shower cap. This one is supposed to kind of trap in the heat and trap in the mask a little bit better. And I think that the towel that they offer is also meant to do that. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can go ahead and rinse it out as normal, and then either let your hair air dry or blow dry in style. So in this case, I let my hair air dry, and then I just went in with a waver and waved my hair, and it feels so incredibly soft. And this is only the 2nd time that I've used the mask. And what I will also say is that I have been in a chlorine pool probably a dozen times this summer already, and I've let my hair get chlorine in it, and I haven't always been diligent about putting like a leave-in conditioner or something in my hair to protect it. So that definitely comes at a cost for the hair, and it definitely dries it out, and this mask has really helped to revitalize it after the chlorine. Overall, I really can't say enough about it. Like I said, I love the smell, and I really am I'm big on that, but it has just a really beautiful smell to it. I like the texture. It doesn't weigh your hair down, so like you can see I still have like a ton of body in my hair. You know, I have it kind of slicked down just as my style, but it hasn't weighed my hair down at all. It hasn't caused like any weird flaking. I've had that happen with masks before where like my scalp will start to flake or weird things have happened. I've reacted negatively to some hair masks. No issues with any of that. I think a lot of it has to do with how natural and how safe the products are. I really do enjoy it so far. So I'll definitely keep you posted and either come back to the channel or potentially do like another TikTok or Instagram short video letting you know if something changes. But as of right now, I think that I have filled that hole in my regimen, and I'm really excited to continue to use the product and to see the benefits that it has on my hair. So before I close out, if you are new to my channel and this is the type of content that you enjoy, I definitely encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, make sure to hit that notification bell too, so that you can get alerts to the latest and greatest from me. As always, it has been amazing hanging out with you guys. If anyone has any questions at all, don't hesitate to leave those in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And if you enjoyed today's video, please consider giving it a like. Don't quit your daydream. And until next time.